Guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's Phone Collection. Today we're going to drop test our water tested LG AX or VX5500. I keep saying AX. It's the VX5500. The back is super glued on, so it shouldn't be coming off during these tests. Let's go ahead and do the back test in 3, 2, 1. Looks like I just took some nicks on the down here at the bottom. A couple little indents in the rear cover, nothing too bad. Let's go and do the side drop in 3, 2, 1. That was nice and clean on the side too. The same thing that happened last time. The trim panel came off. It's going to push it all back in, and definitely hit right here on the corner edge. It's going to do the face down in 3, 2, 1. Slow motion. Definitely took some nicks on the front. Nothing too bad though. Let's go and do the open face. There we go. In 3, 2, 1. That one kind of did a spin in the air, so hopefully it landed open. I'm pretty sure it did. Let's go ahead and do the throw test. In 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna guess that was the LCD cover that fell off because we didn't glue it in. No, it was the back cover came unglued. And until I did, let me get some sunlight. We put a lot of super glue on this back cover. That's pretty crazy. It came off though. The front LCD cover stayed on. It's not even glued in. It's just sitting there with the old adhesive they had on there. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and stay tuned for the next one.